Hi everyone! Today we're gonna have lots of fun playing with our brand new Lego set. That's right, it's from the new Batman movie, the Lego Batmobile.
Well, hot dog, let's build us a Batmobile. But I may need a little help.
Okay.
Okie dokie. Well, there's 581 pieces to this Lego set. We better get started.
What? Only 581? Whoa! Wowza, that's a lot of Legos.
I'm Batman. Let's go.
Batman, are you sure this is your Batmobile?
Of course I'm sure. 'Cause I'm Batman.
Okie dokie. More Legos. Whoa!
Okay, here we go.
Now be on the lookout for Robin. He's around here somewhere. Oh yeah. Hey, anyone find a Robin?
Nope, but I think I found Man-Bat. Whoa, nice bat, nice bat.
Uh-oh, Man-Bat is bad news.
Don't worry, Batman. We'll get this Batmobile done soon so you can go catch him. Come on, you guys. We gotta keep building. We're almost done.
I hate to break it to you, but you don't have any wheels. What kind of Batmobile is this?
Just keep building.
Let's keep going. We're almost done. Guys! Ah! Yahoo!
Hello, secret camera. What? Did the Joker steal his pants?
I can only look you in the eyes right now.
Woohoo! Let's keep building.
Oh yeah. Everyone in the Batmobile.
Batman? Why did you build this with only one seat?
Because the last time I checked, I only had one butt.
Where's the seatbelts?
Life doesn't give you seatbelts. Ready? Let's roll.
Whoa!
Oh, whoa, Batman, slow down!
No, Batman!
Yahoo! Another adventure! Where are we going?
To go catch Man-Bat.
Ooh, there he is! I see him!
Oh no, and he's with the Kabuki twins. And it looks like they've kidnapped Tinkerbell. And he's robbed the Gotham Bank. Okay, now get out of my Batmobile.
Alright, sheesh. It was getting a little crowded in here anyway. Batman!
And Robin! Woohoo!
Oh, yuck. Again with the no pants thing.
My costume was too tight, so rip! Off they went! Woohoo!
Give us back Tink.
No.
Prepare to face my incredible reflexes.
Uh-oh.
Now, give us back Tink.
No.
Or else...
Or else I'm gonna get you with this! Pew, pew, pew!
Oh, no. Don't touch that. No.
Pew, pew, pew! Uh-oh.
Huh?
You missed. Or Uh-oh.
Great job, everyone! We stopped Man-Bat and the twins, saved Tink, and retrieved the Gotham City money.
Whoa, I can't believe that worked.
Of course it worked, because I'm Batman.
No, I'm Batman. You're Robin.
Woohoo!
Get back here.
Wow, that was so much fun playing with all of our friends and our new Batmobile with the Batman Lego set. Now let's take a closer look at our brand new Batmobile. It's got 4 really big tires and you can roll it back and forth nice and easy so we can fly to the rescue. And inside, there's lots of stickers, the steering wheel, and even a red and green button. I wonder what those would do in the movie. Now this Batmobile is super cool because it doesn't turn into one car, but 3 different cars. Check it out. We can move the wheels around like this and bend it up so it can be a different kind of car. So we can almost make it look like a monster truck with really tall wheels. Whoa, nice. Or we can even turn them to make it go sideways. So we'll put it back down. Perfect. And what we'll do is we'll bend the wheels forward and back. Now that's pretty cool. What car do you know does that? It can roll sideways. I'm sure dodging all the Gotham traffic trying to save the day can be tricky. Well, luckily, Batman has this awesome Batmobile. One of my favorite things about the Batmobile is its license plate and the bat up at the top. It says, "Beat it, dude." I wouldn't want to get in Batman's way. And if there ever is a bad guy on the loose, like Man-Bat, we can catch him by using our blasters. All you do is push this down right here and whoa! Rocket launchers! That'll definitely stop him.
Yeah, I'm Batman. Batman out.
Wow, we had so much fun today playing with our new Batmobile Lego set from the Batman Lego movie. Which character was your favorite? Is it Batman, Robin, Man-Bat, or maybe one of Mickey Mouse characters? Let us know in the comments below. And for more fun Lego building videos, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Twitter and give us a big thumbs up if you really like this video and love playing with Legos. If you had this Lego set, what adventure would you and Batman and Robin go on? And today's special spelling word is Batman. B-A-T-M-A-N.
I'm Batman.
Be sure to write that in the comments below. Bye everyone! Thanks for watching!
Hey there everyone! Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the engineering family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there. You can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol,